Then I don't know. They're not working.
Did you just try to signal him to honk the horn?
No. He was like, no.
Hudson Broken Light Rail Service Advisory, January 25th to 26th, 2026. HBLR service will be suspended system-wide beginning at 4 a.m. on Sunday, January 25th, due to the forecasted winter storm. Service will remain suspended through Sunday and will resume.
Is it?
Is it stopping?
Oh, it has to stop because there's a crossing over there.
It's not even stopping.
Well, I had to slow down because there's a crossing there. No, because the question is now, why is the train going up that way?
There's nothing up there.
Suspended system-wide beginning at 4 a.m. on Sunday, January 25th, due to the forecasted winter storm. Service will remain suspended through Sunday and will resume once conditions are deemed safe. Non-passenger equipment may operate for the snow clearing.
Maybe.
Use caution through all crossings. We apologize for any inconvenience. Hudson Bergen Light Rail Service Advisory, January 25th to 26th, 2026.
Thank you.
HBLR service will be suspended system-wide beginning at 4 a.m. on Sunday, January 25th, due to the forecasted winter storm. Service will remain suspended through Sunday and will resume once conditions are deemed safe.
I knew I saw him open the door.
Operate for the snow
I knew I saw him open the door back there.
Through all crossings. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Yeah, when he stopped back there, he opened the door.